Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Indeed employer account. First, open Google Chrome and search for Indeed. Now click on the first link to open the official Indeed website. Then look at the top right corner and click on Employers, Post Job. Next, click on Sign In to begin the account creation process. Now select Continue with Google to make signing up easier. Then choose the Google account you want to use. Click on Continue to move forward. Now enter your city and state in the required fields. Then type in your postal code and click Continue. Next, enter the minimum base pay you're offering and select the pay period, hourly, weekly, monthly, etc. Click Continue to proceed. Now enter the desired job titles you're hiring for. Click Continue again. If you're unsure, you can skip this part for now. Here you can browse jobs that match your interests or even post your CV if you're looking for work. Now click on Employer Post Job to continue setting up your employer account. Next, enter your company name, first and last name, and answer the question, how did you hear about us? Then type in your phone number and click Continue. Now provide a brief company description, enter the job title, specify the number of people you want to hire, and mention the job location. Click Continue once you've filled out these details. Here select the job type, full-time, part-time, contract, etc. Then choose the expected working hours for the position. Next, enter the fixed number of hours per week that the employee is expected to work. Click Continue again. Now specify how you want the pay to be displayed, including the minimum and maximum salary range, along with the payment rate, hourly, weekly, or yearly. And that's it. Your Indeed employer account is now set up and you're ready to post job listings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.